Are you tired of staring at a blank screen, wondering how people are making those slick animated videos without spending a dime? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create eye-catching animated videos using free AI tools. Yep, zero budget, zero stress. This trick is surprisingly simple, but no one's really talking about it. So, grab your coffee and let's dive in. The first thing I need is an idea and a script. So I came here to ChatGPT and asked it to give me a short script about a boy riding a skateboard. It did, but it also gave me some things I didn't like. So I asked it to make revisions and provide detailed image prompts for each scene. Once I've got all this, then I'm good to go to the next step. When you first log into Meta, it looks something like this. So I'll put in this as my prompt, and then I'll click here. The first time you make an image, it will be square. You also have the option to change the style over here, choose different moods, lighting, and even different colors. But I'm not going to do any of that right now. What I will do is come down here and change the size, because I want it to be 16 by 9. And then I'll ask it to create them again. Now you can see it is 16 by 9. That's what I wanted. These do have a little watermark, but it does a really good job. So I just wanted to show you that before I go any further. This is free. I'm using Meta AI. So I'll drop my first prompt in here and have it create an image for me. Okay, I'll click here. Now it's working. These are really good. Notice, it is watermarked, but it's not very big. So I'll download this one. But another thing I can also do while I'm here is this. Did you notice? If I click right here, I can also animate it. And it's fairly fast, so let's do that. And now it's done. I'll download it too. Then I'll go back to ChatGPT, get my next prompt, and then just follow this same routine over and over until I've made all my images. And my mini videos too. Let's go to the next step. All right, now I'm in 11 Labs. I've already chosen my voice for the boy. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and paste in my text here. I'll click Generate Speech. That sounds pretty good. Now I'll click here and download my audio, then go on. Now I'm in Canva. I'll choose YouTube video, but I could also choose video here. I want landscape format. Click on that. It'll open a new page, and I'll open a few more. Now I'll drag in all my videos. I'll put my playhead right here and start adding them in the right order. Then I'll make each fill the page. So now all my videos are in place. The next thing I need is to drag in my audio. I'll put it there and I'll make it a little bit louder. Next, I'll break it up so each one of these pieces fits in with the right video. Whenever I make a split, I'm right-clicking, then I choose Split Audio. Next, I need a skateboard sound. So I'll go to Pixabay and search for one in the sounds area. Listen to them and choose the one you want, then download it. Now I'll take it back to Canva and drag it into here. Then I'll put this right here at the beginning and make it quieter so it doesn't overwhelm what the boy is saying. And I'll duplicate it a few times too. Then I'll experiment with the sound levels until they are correct. Now that it's finished, we can go up here to Share. Click on Download. Choose MP4. If you're on a paid plan, you can bump the quality up. If you're on the free plan, you don't have that option. Keep all your videos pages included and then hit download. Alright, so now you're ready to upload this new video to your social media, your website, or wherever you want. And you just created a video for free. So, congratulations!
Whoa! Grandpa's board! Time to ride like the wind. I got this! Whoa! Remember, bend those knees. Next stop, Half Pipe Hero.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.